In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to export a transparent background in Procreate. So I have the app open here. I'm just going to draw a very simple design. Okay, so this is our design. Let's just do this here. Now, what you need to do is, if you want to make this transparent, all you have to do is press the layers button here. So you just tap that there. And now you can see background color. So all you have to do is tick off this, untick background color, and you can see you have this now grid background. You can add some more designs if you wanted to on this grid here. What we're going to do now, in order to export this transparent image, we are going to press the toolbar here. You want to have a PNG format, so you press PNG. It's exporting, and now you have to press Save Image. So if you press Save Image here, then that would be exported into the gallery. So you can see now we're in gallery, and this is the exported image. So if you have any questions, just write them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.